Welcome to EEHowTo. This is the time where we're going to talk about adding a login form to your existing website. The first thing I want you to do is to go to the Expression Engine Docs page. You can get to this by going to expressionengine.com/docs and then query here under search for login form. You'll notice that there are a bunch of entries here. The one we want is login form tag with Expression Engine documentation. What this shows us is that there is a built-in method for you to add a login form tag that can go anywhere on your page. You're given an example. So what I want you to do in this case is to copy this particular text and save it to the clipboard. Then I want you to log back into your existing site. I'm going to do that on my end here. Which is eebeginners.com. And in my case, I'm going to go into my existing templates. I have a template here called Begin, and inside of this template called Index, if you scroll downwards, you will see I have a login form. Now notice that my login form has the following text. If logged out, show all this other stuff. And then here is the closing if statement. So in your particular case, you would copy and paste the information that I just showed you into your form. Now there's several minor changes that I've made to this. I made a change to the form return. What I'm saying is in the form return, take me back to segment 1/segment 2/segment 3. What this allows me to do is to have the login form take me to exactly where I'm starting from. So if I'm further on in the site besides the main page, it'll take me back exactly where I want to go. So we can test, then you of course would save your template. We can test this, but I'm going to go in, I'm going to log out, and then I'm going to go back over to my existing site, which is eebeginners.com. And if you'll notice, in the upper right hand corner, there's a login name and a password. Now I will go ahead and move around the site a little bit. I'm going to go to another page. You'll notice that since this is on my other pages as well, it's not on my other pages, but if I go back, I have my login form here. Let me go ahead and log in. And I click on submit. It tells me that I'm logged in, and look and see what happens. I no longer have a login form. So this is one way that you can handle working with login forms. Hopefully this was helpful. If not, go ahead and leave me a comment. Thank you.